Details of the transistor theory without mathematical derivation. Transistor. The transistor is known as a bipolar junction transistor. Its operation involves both electrons and holes. Two diodes are connected back to back in the transistor according to the theory. It transfers the signal from the input to the output, and it is like the varistor. So it is called as the transistor. The transistor is a current controlled component. It is a bipolar and non-linear component. Its operation depends on the majority and minority charge carriers. It is thermally unstable. It is an active component of amplifiers and integrated chips. Types of the transistor: bipolar, Darlington, IGBT, FET, MOSFET, UJT. There are two types of the bipolar transistor. They are NPN and PNP transistors. Layer diagram: PNP transistor, NPN transistor. The figure shows layer diagrams of bipolar transistors. The transistor has three layers, two junctions, and three terminals. The layers are NPN or PNP. The junction are the junction J1 and the junction J2. The terminals are the emitter, the base, and the collector. Emitter. The emitter is heavily doped, larger than the base and shorter than the collector. It supplies charge carriers to the other two layers. It is the bottom layer in the above layer diagram. Base. The base is the middle layer, lightly doped and smaller than the emitter and the collector. This controls the flow of charge carriers from the emitter to the collector. Collector. The doping level of the collector is more than the base but lesser than the emitter. It is larger than the emitter and the base, and it collects charges. Those are coming from the base. It is the top layer in the above layer diagram. Junctions. The junction J1 is between the emitter and the base. It is smaller than the junction J2 because the emitter layer is highly doped, and it is known as the emitter base junction. The junction J2 is between the base and the collector. It is bigger than the junction J1 because the base is lightly doped. The doping level of the collector is lower than the emitter, and it is known as the collector base junction. Types of the bipolar transistor. There are two types of the bipolar transistor. They are NPN and PNP transistors. The arrow in the symbol indicates the direction of the conventional current when the emitter junction is forward biased. The terminals of the transistors are left open is known as the unbiased transistor or open circuit circuit transistor. The usage of the NPN transistor is more than the PNP transistor because of faster mobility of electrons, and it is more suitable for the negative ground system. The methods of making the transistor are ground junctions, alloy of fused junctions, diffused junctions, and epitaxial junctions. The silicon transistor is better than the germanium transistor because the reverse saturation current of the silicon transistor is lower 1 nanoampere than the reverse saturation current of the germanium transistor 1 microampere, and the silicon transistor is used up to 200 degrees centigrade, and the germanium transistor is used up to 100 degrees centigrade. Practical transistors. The figure shows various types of transistors. The details of the transistor are understood from the data sheet. Advantages: high voltage gain and no power loss. Lower supply voltage is sufficient. Most suitable for low power applications. Smaller, lighter in weight, safety, and low cost. Mechanically stronger than vacuum tubes. No external heating required like vacuum tubes. Very suitable to integrate with resistors and diodes to produce ICs. Disadvantages: it cannot be used for higher power applications. Due to its small size, it is difficult to trace out faulty ones. Manufacturing techniques are complex. It has lower input resistance. It is temperature dependent. It does not work as efficiently as mechanical switch or electrical switch. Applications. The transistor is mainly used in amplifiers and used as switches in digital devices. Dear viewers, kindly take a sheet of paper and a pen. Write answers after viewing the questions. Check your answers with the published answers. Thank you. Electronics hints. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The transistor is known as two diodes are connected in dash. Answers: A. Series, B. Parallel, C. Series and parallel, D. Back to back. Question number 2. The transistor is dash component. Answers: A. 3 layers, 2 junctions and 3 terminals. B. 2 layers, 2 junctions and 3 terminals. C. 3 layers, 1 junction and 3 terminals. D. 3 layers, 3 junctions and 3 terminals. Question number 3. The transistor operation involves. Answers: A. Only electrons, B. Only holes, C. Electrons and holes, D. atoms. Question number 4. The transistor is a dash controlled component. Answers: A. Voltage, B. Current, C. Power, D. Phase. Question number 5. The collector is dash layer? Answers: A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Question number 6. The base is the dash layer. Answers: A. Thin, B. thick, C. high, D. low. Question number 7. The NPN transistors are mostly used due to. Answers: A. Faster mobility of electrons, B. slower mobility of electrons, C. faster mobility of holes, D. slower mobility of holes. Question number 8. The main application of the transistor is. Answers: A. converter, B. inverter, C. rectifier, D. amplifier. Question number 9. The arrow in the transistor indicates dash current. Answers: A. electron, B. hole, C. conventional, D. supply. Question number 10. The terminals of the transistors are. Answers: A. anode, cathode and gate, B. source, drain and gate, C. base 1, base 2 and emitter, D. emitter, base and collector. Answers: 1D, 2A, 3C, 4B, 5C, 6A, 7A, 8D, 9C, 10D. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. Electronics Hints